Remove the workpiece No. E. Fetch a new type of workpiece No. R. Place workpiece No. R in the machining position. The facing direction of long shaft of workpiece No. R is as shown on the screen. Place the workpiece in the center of the machining position. As shown on the screen, adjust the distance of brackets. Adjust the rotary arm axis to the machining station. Modify the rotation angle. Start. Adjust the rotary arm axis to 4 mode. Start rotary arm axis force. Adjust the rotary arm gripper cylinder start to clamp the workpiece. Raise the rotary arm axis. Start. As shown on the screen, rotate the rotary arm axis to move the workpiece to the measuring position. Modify the rotation angle. Start. Adjust the rotary arm axis to 4 mode. Start rotary arm axis force. As shown on the screen, adjust the brackets to proper position and lock them. Test whether the left and right rollers roll smoothly. Make sure there is some gap between the end stop and the workpiece. As shown on the screen, start, release the gripper. As shown on the screen, raise the rotary arm axis. Start. Select the whole machine reset option and turn the start lever. The equipment automatically resets globally. Click to enter parameter. As shown on the screen, select different data groups for machining different types of workpieces.